fish in the sea. You know how I feel. River running free. You know how I feel. Oh, blossom on the tree. You know how I feel. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. Dragonfly out in the sun. You know what I mean, don't you know? And butterflies all having fun. You know what I mean. Sleep in peace when day is done. That's what I mean. And this whole world is a new world, and a bold world just for me. You know how I feel. A scent of the pine. You know what I mean. Oh, freedom, it's mine. And I know how I feel. Well, it's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life. It's a new day. It's a new life. Oh, well, it's a new dawn.
Lubbesthorpe is an amazing place to live. I've been living here for nearly a year now, and I've got a 9-month-old son. We come to the baby and toddler group, and we also get involved in all of the community activities. There's so much to do, there's no way it's a place that you can't be excited to live at.
I feel so good. I feel so good.